my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make a little flower arrangement for you with my beautiful flower, which I have one over here, Amarillas. It just came out again. And anytime there is a flower, I would love to take a chance and make a beautiful arrangement for you. So what we need is, of course, any kind of vase you can do the decoration. Today I'm going to make in my beautiful seashell. That's what I'm going to do. Well, I went from outside, from my garden. I picked up this succulent plants, which when I saw there is a flower coming, I felt like, well, it will look very, very beautiful in this seashell. I have some fern and leaf, and from my garden, I have the Japanese hedgebugs they call. I have one of the beautiful flower, which we call, I'll remember, calla lily leaves, which is beautiful. I just pick them up and to see whatever we can put them together. Which that when I see this, of course, I feel like it's beautiful, and the colors, they will be beautiful together. So I have one of my Amarillas over here, and I decided to make a little flower arrangement with this. The flower arrangement, it has to come from inside of you, of course. It doesn't have to be anything like rule regulation. Whatever your eyes can see that it looks beautiful, which is now that I see it, just by putting it like this by itself, it's really beautiful. Now I want to try to see if I can make, I have to tell you that this is my Amarillas leaves. Excuse me. These are the Amarillas leaves, and this one, it's like a spider plants that they have. I don't know, this is the giant one. It just grows big in my garden, that I do a lot of flower arrangement with this, which is very, very beautiful. Now I'm not sure if it's going to be beautiful here. I'm just going to try to see if we can make arrangement with this. We want something kind of, maybe we will put some fur maybe beginning, and we will see. We don't want to put too much because it's already the succulent plants. It has very, very beautiful flower in it. Maybe I should put this down like this so we can see the face of the flower. And make sure that your seashell, it has a lot of different legs. It can go down, it can go up. You can lay down different ways. So make sure that the way you want to put it, that you can put water in a plant, in a seashell. So your plants will be water in it. Otherwise your flower will not survive too long. So I think this looks very beautiful like this. It looks like just by putting a fern, it looks beautiful. Let's see. I was going to make it very simple, but I'm going to try to see if my calla lily plants, it will look good or not. By laying down. Let's empty here over here. I think this is too much for this. I think the little fern, it will be beautiful by putting it, laying down. It's a very, very simple plant will be. Let's see. While this one is going down, I think we can put this longer part down here. It will look much prettier like this. And we can put the short fern this way. And here is a little decoration for you. We can add maybe a little bit of calla lilies leaves in the back. Let's see. Let's put it couple. We're just going, you always have to try with your plants. You can't just say this will be good, this will be good. You have to see if your eyes can see it good. I don't think this will be good with it. And I think this is very simple, plain decoration. I think it looks beautiful. So any kind of plants you have, just take it and put them together and see how good it's gonna look. Maybe we put some this way to fill it in. I guess it looks pretty with this. And let's put couple over here, and we will put couple more here. Couple like this. And let's see if we put couple in the back. I think it will look beautiful. There we go. Here we go. And now we will put some water in it, of course. And the succulent usually plants, they don't need too much water, neither this, but the flower needs water. The fern too can last very, very long time. All right, this is the arrangement. It was very simple, plain, nice, and I think it looks very beautiful. So you can take this to your friends, family, and you can enjoy them. So go on my channel and go on my playlist, and you will see a lot of different flower arrangement. You will see over there a lot of arts, crafts, needle lace, cooking, baking. I have a lot of variety things. Well, I hope you liked it and you will enjoy it. Please, if you like, subscribe my channel and like. And I thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.